Today we're going to be programming with the brick status light block. And you can see over here we have a little simple program called the ButtonLight program. This is the brick status light block, and you can choose colors to be displayed in the status light block. You can have it pulse or not pulse or stay just that color. And our simple sample program is the ButtonLight program, and this is what you're going to be creating today. Just 4 blocks, 2 blocks that use the status light button block, and 2 sound blocks. We're going to have the status light be red, and then we're going to have it say red, and then we're going to have it turn green, and we're going to have the Lego Mindstorm say green. So let's go ahead and open our software. All right, we got a new program project. We're going to open it up. And here we have the brick status light block. All right, we're going to bring this over here. And we can see you can have green, yellow, or red. So the first thing we're going to have red, and we're not going to have it pulse. So we're going to have false here. Then we're going to pick a sound block. And we're going to go into our Lego sounds, and we're going to go into colors. And we're going to pick red. And then we're going to get our status light block. We're going to have it say green. We don't want it to pulse. So we have that at false. And then we're going to have it say green. So we have our colors. Green. So here we have our simple program. We have the brick status light display is going to be red. Then it's going to say red. Then it's going to be green. Then it's going to say green. So we can go ahead and download that and run it on our robot, and I'll show you what that looks like. And now we run the program.
Red, green.
It's that simple. Now go ahead and do it yourself.